how to turn on restricted mode on TikTok. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. Do you want to enable restricted mode on TikTok but don't know how? If yes, then you are in the right video. Without further ado, let's get started. Open TikTok on your device. You will land on its official homepage. Tap on the profile tab available at the bottom. Then your TikTok profile will open up. Tap on the hamburger icon at the top. A menu will appear. Select settings and privacy. Under the content and display section, you will see the option for content preferences. Tap on it. Over here, you will see the option for restricted mode. Tap on it. As you can see, restricted mode is currently off. If you enable it, this feature will limit content that may not be suitable for all audiences. You can turn the setting on or off at any time. Let's enable restricted mode. For that, tap on the turn on button. Then TikTok will restart automatically, enabling the restricted mode feature. And boom! You have successfully learned how to turn on restricted mode on TikTok. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.